Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify plan, right? So if you ever want to cancel your Shopify subscription, then you want to follow these steps. Welcome to Joe Tutorial, and if you're not new guys, welcome back. Right, so once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, just simply go ahead and click settings on the lower left hand side. And from here, you want to click on plan on the left hand side. You have a bunch of options here. Click on plan. Now you will see the option here where you can go ahead and you can change your plan. But if you want to cancel a plan, just simply click on cancel right there. And you'll be able to receive this pop-up where you just need to go ahead and just read through that and say I have reviewed the information above, and you want to proceed with continuing the process to cancel your plan. So keep in mind that I strongly recommend that you want to do all the following which they have mentioned to you. So if you have any app and subscription, you want to go ahead and ensure that those apps or plugins that you're using, you want to go ahead and ensure that you cancel those as well. Or if you want to have for a different website, you can maybe keep them for whatever reason. But if you're using them within Shopify and you want to cancel your subscription, ensure that you cancel those other third-party subscriptions that you have so that you no longer have to pay for them. Ensure that you cancel any other store that is connected to it, as you can see there. And of course, you want to also turn off automatic renewal for any domains that you have. So if you have any domains connected to your store, ensure that you turn that off unless you want to keep the domain and use it for whatever reason, right? So let's say you no longer want to use Shopify, but you want to set up your website on, for example, WordPress or whatever, you want to move over to Wix. It's really up to you. Then you might can just bring over your domain and just work with it from there. But if you just want to cancel everything altogether, then it makes sense that you also cancel their automatic renewal for those domains. And that's really it, guys. You just want to take these things into consideration. And of course, you will be able to cancel your subscription, and then you have nothing real to worry about from there. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.